Meet HalalBlox. While might be wondering, on how did I do this? Today, I'll be teaching you on how to get HalalBlox installed to your PC. Go make a new tab, then type this, but don't worry, I wrote the link in the description. Now, type in Roblox. Now click on RoPro. Install RoPro. You don't need it, but I highly suggest on installing it. Now, install Roblox. Click on the settings and then on the Roblox text, which should be in red. Click the theme button and then click the create button. Type any name you want. Next, we need to get the image URL. I use this site for my background. Right-click and copy the image address. Paste in the address and click create. And please don't forget to click select. Now you got a halal background, you can use other images as well. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe.